Okay, so we start the day like this. This is Atok App. First of all, every day you go on clicking on checking. Okay, you click on checking. I give you my first Atok. Okay, then the next is I have here recommended video. Okay, makes this Benz advert. So I quickly click on the video. So they will ask you a few questions and then you get your point. How many colors does this car have? I think I saw one. Okay, try again. Okay, so it has three colors. Wow. So you've received your rewards. Collect the reward. Okay. You have another video to play. You have to rush because this has 30,000 views. So while you wait, the video will just finish. Who is the Milo brand aimed at in the above advertisements? I think it's aiming at children, people with family, children, champions. I think it's children. Okay, I got it. So that's the second video for me. I think the videos are done. Okay. Okay, that's cool. I've received the point. So the next one now is we'll go back to the front page and we'll click on this avatar. Okay, click on this avatar. Here you have daily questions which you also answer. Okay, you answer three questions daily. What kind of museum, art gallery have you visited recently? So I've visited Natural Museum. Are you using a programming application? I use it. I don't know exactly which programming application am I using now. I'm not using any application now. So how much do you think you are interested in economic news and analysis? I'm highly interested. Okay, so I've completed today's goal and I've gotten my 3.81 points on it. So that is it on Atok. If I fall back now to the home page, I check my balance. My Atok points balance is 302.62 and the cash equivalent now is $3.33. Okay, $3.33. Okay, as soon as this gets to 1,000, you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, so there are other things you can do on daily basis. You can play game. Okay, you can play game here. You click on the roller. This one collects, use 5 Atok points to play each of the games. Okay, so let me just spin for today's game. So what am I going to get? I got nothing. I lost. So you spin again. So that is it. Then this other one, the jackpot. Okay, this one uses 10 Atok points also. So if you're interested in it, you also click on spin. Let's see if I get something from this one. Okay, yeah, I just won 20. You see, I just used 10 and I got 20. Okay, that's lovely. I'm off. That is it on Atok. So you do this morning routine within 5 minutes, you're done. You come back later to check your check-in. In 4 hours time, the check-in also will be ready. So you come back in 4 hours time, you will see check-in, you check in again. That one you get 6 point something Atok. You also have your referral. You can click on referral, get your referral link, and send it to someone to start getting making small money from these too. While you're done, you withdraw to your wallet. Okay, that is all for today's morning routine on YouTube. Thank you.